Meselyn, the day has come. Ang araw na inyong pinakahihintay, narito na. Ang araw kung saan kayong dalawa ay magtataling puso. Hindi na kayo dalawang magkahiwalay ng tao. Sabi nga na isang awitin, two become one. Andrew at Meselyn, ano pang hinihintay natin? Alam kong excited na kayo. Simulan na natin ang inyong road to forever. Meselyn, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Andrew, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Steady hands and steady feet. Can you carry us to where we need to be? These plans, these quiet dreams are writing out the story of you and me. Pages filled with pencil marks, and all along you had my heart in love. You're all I need. Ooh, love, you're all I need. You're all I need. Every smile and photograph, we're finding ways to make these moments last. Anytime when I'm with you, I'm captivated by the things you do. Come on, darling, moving close. I just wanna let you know that love, you're all I need. Ooh, love, you're all I need. You're all I need.
Meselyn, do you take Andrew here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Now, Andrew, do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as his lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
When storms rise and we feel the thunder, in the times that we are left to wonder, I will be your rock, your home, your shelter. I believe, love, you're all I